Hi everyone, today I have a recipe that's going to go into my small plates and tapas category. So these are what we would consider an appetizer in the United States. This one is called Gigante beans in tomato sauce. Now Gigante beans are actually a little hard to find, so a good substitute are Corona beans, and I'll show you this in a second. This recipe is inspired by a restaurant that I used to go to in Los Angeles, and it was kind of a pizza place, but they also had entrees and really interesting appetizers, and everything was Mediterranean inspired. And they used to serve this dish cold, but I'm gonna be inspired by them, and I'm gonna serve this dish warm, and I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. Gigante beans are a little hard to find. They're a Greek bean and they're a big white flat bean. So I found these as a very useful substitute. Corona beans. Now you can see that they're big, white, and flat. So I think they'll do the job just the same. I found these in my local Italian grocery store. And for the sauce, we're making a really simple, quick sauce made with tomato paste. So all we're gonna do is mix this tomato paste with some water, and I'm not even gonna jazz it up. So I'll show you how simple it is. Here we go. In this pot, I emptied the can of tomato paste, and now I'm just going to fill the can with water, and that should be enough water to turn this into a nice thick sauce. In this pot, I emptied the jar of the Corona beans with their own juices. I'm just going to heat them up in their own juices, and then I'm going to strain them before we eat them. So our sauce looks like it's ready, and our beans look like they're ready too. So now I'm going to strain them. I'm just spooning some tomato sauce onto these beans. Now I didn't add anything to this sauce, no salt, no pepper, no anything. So at the end here, I'm just going to sprinkle on a little dried oregano. Make it look a little pretty. And that's your appetizer. And if you're wondering where I got these cute little tapas plates, I found them on Amazon, where you can find everything. I'll put a link in the description down below to the ones that I bought, because I use them a lot. They're really cute. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you serve it to your friends, because I think they'll be really impressed despite how simple it was to make. Share this video with your friends, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!